Hi, Chris. This is Michaela. I spoke with you on the phone earlier today, and as mentioned, here's just a quick video to go over your website, show you how to get new leads, as well as discuss your overall online presence with you, okay? So to start, I'm going to tell you that I do have a background with digital marketing, and I can tell you that there are three main aspects that Google looks for when ranking websites along their Google platform. Number one, for the most organic movement of your website up that Google platform is going to be content. And when I say content, I mean anywhere that actual text shows up on your site. So this information here would count as content. And then you have some information here as well, and that's it. So not a lot of content. So let me give you an example and tell you why content is so important, okay? Anytime you do a basic Google search for anything specific, Wikipedia always shows up as your #1 search result. Why is that? It's because it has so much content. So every few weeks, Google does a sweep of the internet and finds these content-rich sites and naturally just starts moving them to the top of the rankings. So knowing this and doing some competition research for different carpet cleaners and steamers in your area, I'm going to recommend you have around 1,500 words of content on your homepage alone. This is going to allow you to be found by Google when they do that search, okay? With that said, on every additional page, whoops, it doesn't seem like that's working. I'm not sure you knew that your service pages are not working currently. But with that said, what we typically recommend is on every additional service page, you add between 750 to 1,000 words of content. This is going to do two things for you. A, it's going to add content to your site, which what do we already know about content? Google loves content, but it allows us to put appropriate keywords on those pages that point back to those services anytime someone in your area does a search for them. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This here is called Ahrefs, and this just gives me an overall breakdown of how you're currently doing on the internet today. I see here that you guys are currently getting about 51 people to your website every month, which are good numbers, but we typically see these quite a bit higher for other people ranking in your area. So let's talk about how to get those numbers up. Again, I already mentioned keywords, and again, with your website not working appropriately, maybe getting those keywords ranking right now is kind of an issue. So those keywords may be there, but definitely get some more appropriate keywords and get the get correct ones put on the right pages so that you can be found for those correct searches. Next, I want to take you to this UR and DR number. And this UR number is directly related to citations. And if you go with me here to just a basic Google search, the very first thing that pops up is this GMB, or the Google My Business. And as you can see here, these top three competitors are going to get the most clients just based on visibility alone, which is what every small business owner wants, right? We want our business name and information to be in front of as many people as we can. So the exposure is great. And how do we get to the top of this list? That's going to be through citations. And a citation is anywhere that your business name, location, and phone number show up in some sort of online directory. So think Yelp or Yellow Pages. And in doing this, you're going to start climbing up this Google ladder. I do have the ability to see how many your current competitions have to know how many citations you would need to secure a top position, which I'm happy to go over with you if you'd like to discuss this further. But as you do that, this UR number is going to continue to go up. The more citations and possibilities for you to be found are found on the internet. Next, I'm going to take you to this DR number, and what it's directly related to are backlinks and referring domains. And a backlink is anywhere that your business's website is clickable and linkable on another business's website. So think Angie's List or Home Advisor. Getting a backlink on a good trusted website that has a lot of traffic is going to throw a lot of influence back to our website. So the more influence we have pointing back to us, the higher this DR number is going to go, which is going to cause a lot of linear stability for your business and your position on Google. Well, I hope this was good information for you. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. If you need any help with your website, I'm also available to help or answer any questions you might have. If it's not too much trouble, send me a quick email. Tell me your thoughts about this video. But for now, that's all I have for you. So I'll be in touch and have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.